How to disappear and transform yourself. One day, you're going to wake up and realize something terrifying. The person you could have become no longer exists because you waited, you tried before, you told yourself this time would be different, but somehow, you always ended up back where you started. Same habits, same doubts, same life. But here's the truth most people will never tell you. Your life won't change until you disappear. Not physically, but mentally. You must disappear from the habits, the distractions, and the version of yourself that keeps holding you back. The first step to transformation is silence. Turn down the noise, the opinions, the endless scrolling, the constant comparison. Because clarity only appears in silence. And when clarity comes, you see the world differently. You see the opportunities that were always there. You see the doors that no one else bothered to open. You see your own potential and realize it's bigger than you imagined. Most people never reach this point. They never stop long enough to look inside themselves. They never disappear from the noise. They never disappear from the distractions, and so they stay stuck in the same place, with the same life. The good news? You're not most people. You've decided to fight. You've decided to transform, to leave behind the old you and become someone new. But transformation isn't comfortable. It isn't easy. It doesn't happen while you scroll, complain, or make excuses. It happens when you take action, when you face your fears, when you disappear from the version of yourself that wants to stay small. Silence your doubts, silence your fears, silence the voices that tell you it's impossible. And in that silence, you'll hear something new. A voice inside you, strong, determined, unstoppable. This voice is the future you speaking. It's the version of you who doesn't quit, who doesn't wait, who doesn't settle. And the more you listen to it, the louder it gets. Because the truth is, your mind follows the voice you choose to obey. If you obey doubt, you'll never move forward. If you obey fear, you'll never rise. But if you obey the voice of courage, if you obey the voice of action, you will become unstoppable. Now it's time to take the next step. The step most people are too afraid to take. The step that separates the dreamers from the doers. Disappear from distraction. Disappear from fear. Disappear from the voice that tells you it's too late. Because it's not. It's never too late. Every second you waste is a second you could be building the life you want. Every excuse you make, every delay is a betrayal of your potential. And the truth is, no one is coming to save you. No one is going to hand you the life you deserve. You have to take it. You have to fight for it. You have to become the person you've been waiting for. And when you start, when you really start, you will notice something strange. The world doesn't resist you as much as your mind does. The only thing holding you back was yourself, your fears, your habits, your hesitation. Disappear from the old patterns. Disappear from the limiting beliefs. Disappear from the comfort that has been keeping you small. And you will rise. You will rise like you never imagined. Because growth, transformation, happens outside the comfort zone. It happens when you push yourself further than you thought you could go. It happens when you embrace the discomfort and let it shape you. And the people around you, they will notice. They will feel the change. They will see the energy, the presence, the determination. And some will ask you, what changed? And you will smile quietly, because the truth is they will never understand. They will never see the countless hours, the silent struggles, the moments no one was watching. But you will know. You will know exactly how far you've come, and it will feel unstoppable because you have disappeared. Disappeared from doubt, disappeared from hesitation, disappeared from the weak version of yourself. And in the silence, in the struggle, you have been rebuilt. Stronger, sharper, relentless. The person you were waiting to become is here, and nothing, no one can stop you. So step forward, step into your power, step into the life that's waiting for you, because transformation isn't given, it's claimed. And today, it's yours.